Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to move the chart. And the first way how you can move the chart right here is by holding Ctrl and then zoom in and zoom out. This is the first way how you can do this. Then the second way how you can do this is go right into Drawings, Drawing Tools and select right here Pen. And then right now we can go through it with just clicking on it and then throw it to left or to the right. Then the other option is just with the bar here in the bottom. You can switch right here to where you want. You can also increase and decrease with this. So you can make it bigger or a little bit smaller, what you want. And then the other option, what you can do, and that is in my opinion one of the best, is go right here to Settings, Time Axis, and then right here, Show Chart Navigator. Then you do Apply, okay. And then right now you will find here this blue bar, and then you can navigate exactly to the place where you want. So let's zoom a little bit in right here, and then you can walk through the chart right here with this nice navigator bar. So this is in a nutshell how you can move the chart right here in ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.